Hi, it's FNAF Weirdo, and today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner. I've never seen one before, but my friend told me how to do one. So we're going to try to do some tricks. Let's try. No? It works. Yeah. It's a really cool fidget, because mine is a skull. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.